Alright, I've gotten a request from one of my viewers to do a video of one of my HVACs. So here's the Trane XL 1200 super efficient air conditioner. And it's not running at the moment. And the logo on all like four sides have this one's faded. This one's still good, honestly, but it's a little chip in the paint. And yeah, this is the condensing unit. So this is not on at the moment. I might try it on, but no promises yet. So we'll have to wait until summer or whatever, spring. So I'll go ahead and show you the basement air conditioning HVAC unit. Here's the Trane XL80 high efficiency two-stage furnace, which is in the Honeywell electric air cleaner, electronic air cleaner. Say, this was installed in around 2000, April 1st. And this had been in the house since. It's almost 20 years old. Almost 20 years old. So I want to show you is this whole unit that's in there. This had been brazed, which is like soldering, but it goes all the way outside to the condensing unit, and there's all the duct work. This one is from like leaks or whatever, I don't know. So yeah, I can't show all the units, so yeah, I might show this one's hot. Ow, it's pretty hot. So yeah, that's why you don't touch it. So that's it of one of my HVAC units. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this video.